Yes, sir.
All fine.
Make it loud.
Make it loud.
Yeah.
Okay. Let the lawyers come.
Barrister,
We're out now.
let me know when you're ready. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, we're ready. So,
50.
lawyer, we always defer to.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
The matter was the matter that police brought to court. Instead of the complaint of one Ned Nwoko was supposed to be for arraignment today. The police came to arraign Omoyele Sowore. But when we got to court, I don't know the problem they have. They said they have not been able to serve all the parties. So, but that is the problem on their part because we already prepared. You know, 3 lawyers, myself, Pelumi, the popular Pelumi Njenje, you know, all of us I caught with Ruby Williams. They were not ready. They were not ready. So the matter has been adjourned to 25th of April, 2022. But we are prepared. They are not ready for this matter. You know, because the 3 counts on the charge, the 2 of them border on allegations that they say Sahara reporter, but that reporter being a registered news publisher. They talk about the fact that it was cyber stalking, you know. But after discovery, I think they later discovered that it was not going to fly. They now went to pick something in Twitter. You know, we can comment on this. They went to pick something on Twitter, which was not part of the allegation, the petition of Ned Nwoko, the same Ned Nwoko. We are prepared, but they are not prepared today. So the matter has been adjourned to the 5th of April. Whenever they are ready, we are ready. We'll come back. Yes, that is the appeal.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, let me just add this. Comrade Omoyele Sowore is a friend of the court. Someone who is familiar with the terrain. He's here every day.
You come every day.
Every other day.
For one arrangement or the other.
Yes.
So, but then, you know, the spirit is that those who want justice must actually prepare for war. And so, in the spirit of seeking justice, definitely people who don't want justice, the oppressors will continue to engage you. And one of the instruments to engage us as human rights activists, as people who believe in a decent society, of course, is the court. So Omoyele Sowore is here today and is available at any point in time for any form of arraignment, for any form of charges. What we believe is that justice is certain. It will tarry for a little while, but it is certain. People are getting tired in this country because leadership and government has been hijacked, you know, by spineless entities. And so we can't continue to allow people who don't have clear focus, who don't have their neck well screwed on their shoulder, to begin to use the instrumentality of government against the people, against the genuine people. And that is why we're here. And that is why we lawyers will continue to support whatever Omoyele Sowore is doing. So we have a new date, sir, and hopefully we'll be here in court for that new date. I will also expect that before that new date, she'll be charged with a fresh
Yeah, so
that we can
In addition to that,
I will be
in
charged.
addition to that,
I'll be arraigned for declaring
the
to
complainant,
become president.
the nominal complainant is on a court today.
Yes.
That's Ned Nwoko is on a court
He
today.
said he's sick, he traveled.
He can't travel. You can't allege that somebody defend you.
No,
You have brought somebody to
I
court.
should
You
also
can't
ask-
travel.
I should also
You
add,
can't travel.
lawyer.
The RPO is looking at me. You can't travel. He must be in court.
No, I should also add.
He must be in court.
Lawyer, that
It's
Ned Nwoko never officially on his own appear before the police to make any complaint. He sent a third party. Yes. It's there in the charges.
He's a billionaire now.
So they think that they can
No,
buy
this is not the
justice,
laughing
they
matter.
can buy the
It's very
police.
serious, oh.
And we have said this is impossible.
In the same country,
You
things
understand?
like this don't happen.
I decided to make myself available when my lawyer was arrested to repudiate the insults that I jumped here.
Yeah.
You know, I couldn't just live with it. And I've been to the police several times after that. And this morning I drove myself to the police so that I could accompany them to court. And this has affected our campaign for the presidency a lot.
Yeah.
So we also have been given a date, May 4th, to start the hearing of a case May 3rd,
Yes.
that we filed against the police and Ned Nwoko for violation of my rights. and 200 million naira is at stake. I want to conclude that case on time so that we can plow it into the campaign as well.
Yeah, yes, we need that money.
We need the money.
We need billionaires to contribute.
So these are the most important things today.
I'm here for the 200 million.
I know when you appeared.
I'm here for the 10%.
So, guys, that's the situation as it is today. It is safe to say that these cases have collapsed under the weight of their
case.
inconsistencies and weaknesses.
The police are stranded.
Yeah, so
that is the problem.
But we will keep you updated. The most important thing for us is how to take care of this country.
Yes.
The country has gone down the toilet. The president, as I'm aware, has run away. And so next time, vote for people who can lead.
Who will not run away.
Yes. His wife has also permanently, relocated from Nigeria to Dubai, UAE.
Facts.
The country at this point is leaderless. You have no electricity. You have no gasoline, petrol as they call it. You have no roads. We have no schools. All our universities are closed down. Those are the things that we think our police should be
by 2 months.
interested in. And I'm aware that the police is embarking on a strike. And if it is true, I'm going to join them as well. Because the police need better condition of service. They need independence. They need proper training. They need proper care. So that they will not be carrying bags and food for all these common criminals who claim they are billionaires in the country. So that's where we stand today. Let me talk to the IPO. He seems to be waiting for. I hope the vehicle has Thank you, Barrister.
Where is this guy? Oluwami. Baba show. We'll talk on phone now.
Baba show.
Show. We don't have to move.
Speaking now. No problem.
I don't
Where were you?
Thank you. He has not been arraigned now.
If you need me,
Call.
I'll come around.
He's not been arraigned now, so sir, there's no case.
No, I'm not. Come back.
Yes, no. He doesn't have to go there. He's not been arraigned now.
No, I think he.
Bros, how are you moving?
I'm moving. I'm entering my.
Over there, obviously,
Yeah, okay.
Ṣé àlàyé ìmọ̀ àkọ́lé ṣẹlẹ̀ bá ń drop ẹ̀?
Lọ́yà tó wà pẹ̀lú mi ni.
Ẹ ṣe gba ọ̀dọ̀ mi.
Okay.
Okay, ó yá follow rẹ̀.
Jẹ́ kán gbé ẹjọ́ rẹ̀.
The case won't go ahead. Revolution now. That time. We don't keep now busy today.
No, it's better. And it's not my
No, it's today. No, it's not. Where's our vehicle?
Ya baka sa shiga ba ya shiga da motar shi ba. Haba you da bin you da wannan Revolution.
No.
Where's my car now?
They don't allow us to drive it.
Where's the?
This is what scares them. This is what scares them.
Scares the hippie out.
This presidential
Ambition. Declaration. They're driving it down from there.
What's the reason why they do all they do? This is the reason why they do all they do. They are scared. They are scared to the marrow. They are scared to their bones.
Use boots.
Yeah.
Nothing can stop an idea whose
time has come.
It stands for revolution.
See why they live here.
Do you know why the police are still waiting behind? Our cars are coming.
should have allowed them enter the court.
Let me almost here. I don't know.
It's because you're not in the vehicle.
Emi is coming. Hello? Very well. Very well. We trust you. No more old people. Number one president. It's our number one, no. It's our number one. Comrade. God bless our comrade. Our comrade is number one. Yes. Our comrade is number one.
Don't tire.
Where is your bed?
God bless our comrade.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, take this.
We just left the courtroom now and we're heading to one of our lawyers. We told you that the case was dead on arrival, but as we were leaving, the police is confused. They asked me to accompany them back to their station. I said, no, I'm a free man, I'm going home. So, but they brought in more police reinforcements.